All right, guys, today we're taking a look at the 2023 Corvette C8. This one's only got 3,800 miles on her. It's a 1LT, she's a one owner. Love the color, it is unique. Ceramic matrix gray metallic, they call it. You also have a jet black leather interior. This thing's brand new though, 3,800 miles, super clean. Got the nice white stitching within the seat. Everything is just dead new on this car. 3,800 miles. Got the upgraded Bose sound system too. Obviously that top is fully removable. This is a 70th anniversary year too. This one just landed. It's live on the website, BRIANSAutoCenter.com, or give us a phone call, 732-528-9777. If you need it, it's right there.